Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold sets record, finding new high near 3,000. Gold pushes above $3,000 for first time as trade turmoil spurs safe haven demand. Yes, yesterday gold went above 3,000 level, failed to sustain and ultimately settled around 2,984. So this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and as we can clearly see, the market is super bullish again. And what is the reason? You can see gold traded at a record high mid-afternoon on Friday, rising above US $3,000 per ounce for the first time as falling stock markets and global economic turmoil spurred by US President Donald Trump's trade war spur safe haven buying. So as we all know, as we have been discussing for the last couple of days also, the safe haven demand is still dominating. So while recording the video, we don't have any news that can calm down gold. So as long as the safe haven demand is dominating gold, we can expect the market to be bullish. If we look at the option chain data here, okay, we have discussed earlier also that around 3000 level we had good number of contracts, so it was the resistance for us. But today in the morning I saw that the number of contracts at 3000 are reducing, though the number is not very high or big, but still 619 is also a quite a considerable number. So if there's a wall, okay, then the bricks are slowly falling. So we may see on Monday markets consolidating around 2990 area, and at one point market will break. So if it breaks also 3000 on Monday or Tuesday, don't be surprised because the wall is falling. And where is the next resistance? If market breaks 3000 level and trades comfortably above it, then obviously gold will be heading towards 3050. This is the next resistance. You can see at 3050 we have the next highest contracts, and then we have 3100. But 3100, I don't think so market will be breaking 3100 in the month of March. But if market breaks 3000 level, 3050 is the next target. And my dear friends, if you're a skilled trader but do not have enough capital to trade, then you can consider signing up for a prop firm, because capital is important. Without capital, a trader has no existence. And nowadays, there are hundreds of companies, isn't it? And finding the genuine company or right company is very crucial. As a result, many of you do not get payouts after making profit. After months of hard work, you don't get paid. Many companies just block your account. I was also a victim. Okay. As a result, you should be looking for companies who are in the business for a long time. And you can consider Audacity Capital, who are in this business for the last 12 years. It was established in 2012, means 2012. So Audacity Capital is one of the genuine options in the industry, okay, who have been giving regular payouts to traders for a long time. Audacity Capital provides 24 into 7 technical support, profit split up to 90% and funding up to $2 million. They have two account types, ability challenge and funded trader. So if you do not want to go for any challenge, you are looking for a direct funded account, then you can go with a capital size up to $60,000. But if you're looking for a bigger capital, then you need to go with the ability challenge, where you need to pass a challenge. So after passing the challenge, you'll get access to the live account. So everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, you will find the link in the description. You can also use the code on the screen right now to get or avail 5% discount. You need to use the code as it is. Okay, you can see they are available in more than 146 countries and helping traders around the world for a long time. And really, finding the genuine profit these days is very uh, important. This is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is standing at the record high. So those who are expecting that gold will be coming down, then my dear friend, we also need to keep in mind that right now gold is going up because of the safe haven demand. And for a trend reversal, we need a solid fundamental reason or news. NFP disappointed, CPI disappointed. We don't have any news right now that will bring a complete trend reversal. On Monday or Tuesday, if you see gold coming down to 2950, 2960, do not consider it as a trend reversal. If you see that there is no reversal but still gold is going down, then keep in mind that this is just a temporary corrections, and corrections are obviously important for supply and demand, because no market goes up in a straight line or no market goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern. Sometimes gold doesn't follow it, but yes, okay, gold will have to come down, okay, but it will just be a temporary thing. Okay, and gold will be continuing the overall upside. So if you have any positional buy right now that you have been holding from 2800 to 2700, hold your buy position. No need to exit. You can put your stop loss around 2950. You can easily hold it, because there is a high chance that gold will break 3005, okay, next week, and it will be heading towards 3050. And if you are a swing trader also, and if you have any ongoing buy, okay, you can hold your buy position right now. But if you're a swing trader or positional trader and looking for fresh entry, then obviously buying a retracement or buying a dip is the best trading strategy for you. For example, if you're looking for a buy on gold that you can hold for next couple of weeks and months, then obviously buying at breakout is not the right thing to do. Okay, so what you can do is you can wait for the gold to come down to 2680, no, 2960, okay, 2960, um, 2950, where you can look for a buy position. If gold takes support around these areas, you can look for a buy as a position trader or swing trader. Swing traders can still, okay, go for a buy above uh, 3005, but as a position trader you should not buy. And if you're a day trader, then obviously this is not the chart for you, and for that we need to look at the hourly chart. And here is our beloved 1 hour chart of gold in front of us. You can see that I have drawn many lines here, so let's try to understand them one by one. So on Friday, market took support around 2979 multiple times. This line here, you can see market took support around this area multiple times. Okay, so around 2979, 2980. Okay, this level has become very common. So whenever a level becomes common, okay, there's a high chance that market will break it, because liquidity has built up. So obviously it's a zero-sum game. Market doesn't like common things. So taking a buy around 2979, 2980 is high risk. So as a day trader, you should be looking for next buy around 2967. This is your next buying zone on the chart of gold. And the best buy zone is around 2945 to 2943. This is the best buy zone on the chart of gold. If you're wondering why, because of price action, means the previous resistance will be working as support here. Okay, this is the reason why are we considering. And if we consider FIBO here, we can see we also have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. But the problem with this level is that 2945, 2943 is far away from the current market price. And yesterday we saw that gold was very adamant, very arrogant, it was not coming down. So chances are high that gold is not coming down to the best level of 2945, 2943. In that case, obviously, we need to focus on the immediate levels only, like 2967 area. We also have another level around 2957, 2955. Okay, so this is the second support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. So why are we considering this? Here you can see we have the FIBO 50% retracement level, and if we change the starting point of FIBO also, we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So there's a high chance that if market drops also with good amount of volume on Monday, okay, still we can expect a bounce around 2955, 2957 area. So my dear friends, in simple words, the trend of the market is super bullish. So it is better and safer for us to look for buy positions only. We are traders, not gamblers. So we are not predicting any trend reversal here without any logic. We are traders, we know, okay, our limitations. So we are looking for buying at retracement because we have higher chances of making money. Okay, so the market opening is going to be important. If market stays like this, okay, then market may not come for proper retracement. If market comes around 2967 area, 2955, 2957, okay, we can look for a buy. If market shows deeper retracement, we will be looking for buy around 2945, 2943. Means we are looking for buy positions only, because if there are 1,000 traders in this market here, okay, there are 900 traders are on the buy side and only 100 traders are on the sell side. Okay, remember the example of goons street fight? Okay, if there's a street fight and you see that there are 100 goons on one side and 10 goons on the other side, which gang you want to join? Obviously, if you want to survive, if you don't want to get beaten up, you need to join the gang of 100 goons. Okay, so here also same stuff. If you go for a sell, you may get the adrenaline rush, you may get the thrill, but it won't be good for your capital bank balance. Do not gamble. And on Monday, after some consolidation, if we see gold going up, then we can also look for buy above 3006. But right after the market opening, if you see that gold is going up, there's a breakout, then chances are very high that after hitting 3010 or 3015, market will come down. It may not be a proper breakout. Okay, so if you see that on Monday there is a very low volume, but still gold is going up, small candles, okay, then you can avoid. But if you want to buy also, keep in mind that after 30-40 pips, gold may reverse also. If you see reversal, exit. Okay, what you can do is after breakout, okay, after breakout, when gold will be going up, obviously at one point it will come down, isn't it? So when gold will cross the resistance, okay, then this area 3005 to 3000 will be the new support, because this is the resistance, this will be the new support. When market will come for retracement and take support here, this is the safer and better entry. Means we are always looking for buying at retracement. Okay. Okay, so if market takes support around 3005, 3000 area, we can look for a buy position here as well. And you can see that I have also drawn two dotted lines here. Okay, for this, okay, we are on the 15-minute chart. So here we are drawing Fibo from top to bottom here. So you can see when we are drawing Fibo on 15-minute chart, okay, we have a resistance around 3000 and 2995. Okay, these are high risk levels. If you're a beginner, new trader, okay, do not watch this right now. Okay, because many of you are scalpers, many of you are experienced traders. So if you want to scalp for 20-30 pips, you can look for a sell around these two levels. Personally, I'm not going for sell. I love to follow trend. I love peace. Okay, at least at the time of trading, okay, I love peace. I do not want the thrill. Okay, I have been doing this for a long time. Okay, all my energy is gone. Okay, so if still, okay, if you're an experienced trader, if you want to scalp, you can look for a quick selling opportunity around these two areas. So overall, the market is not only bullish, it's super bullish. Okay, so try to stick to the trend of the market. Do not look for reversals now. Okay, if any news comes out during the weekend, that's a different story. For example, if any news comes out on Sunday, okay, and you see the impact on Monday after the market opening, that's a different story. Then obviously, okay, this will not be valid and we need to follow the trend of the market. But chances are very high that, okay, there may not be any big news and we may see gold continuing. Okay, this only. Okay, if you see market opening normally, okay, market is bullish, okay, please try to follow whatever we discuss and follow proper risk management. Okay, do not trade blindly, do not gamble with hard-earned money. Enjoy the weekend. Give time to your friends and family, because there should be a balance between your work and trading and family.